world. Come on. Say smart world. Oh my gosh. What has gone to? You heard that game before. I did. Why? Ah, the music's so slow. What? 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 Excuse me? You do not have to do that. Oh my goodness. Oh, seriously. What shall we choose? One or two player mode? Never mind. Oh, Mario. Why are you doing that to me? Okay, that's it. Just wake up, please. What? Luna? Okay, this happens. Oh my goodness, Mario. He loses over and over again. Now he has extra more lives now. Why? Well, super relaxing Mario World. What? Oh dear. The moment I say what, you got scared, Luna. Okay. That totally fits. Ah, Super Mario World. What? Why so fast? Oh my god. It was so fast. Okay, you just do that, Koopa. I'm just gonna go ahead and restart the game. I don't know why. Now it's back to calm music. What? What? Oh man, she got scared. Sorry, Macy. Mimpi's fine. He's recovered after that. Oh man. Ow. Oh no. Well, this always happens. What is Macy doing on that deer? You ride on it too, didn't you? Maybe not. Why is it going so fast? Oh no. Ow. The music. Why? Why is it speeding up? This is heard. Why? What's happened? Why? Why? It's speeding up. Yes, no time to rush. It's like that. Not again. Oh, Mimpi. What? Macy, why are you mad at him? He's your next dog, didn't you? Oh my goodness. Macy was scared again. Do you just wink at me again? I think you did, yes. What if he was in helipad? Oh, I will be excited though. Oh my goodness. What if Mimpi was in helipad? I'll be so excited. I'll be delighted to get him. Oh no. What? What? Oh no. Yes. Ah, dear. Why does it sound like that? Oh, Luna, you know what? Oh my god, you said ah. That was funny. Ah, not this. I mean to Luna. Just stay awake. You always fall asleep in the morning. Oh man. Ah! Okay, stop doing that. Stop. It's getting annoying. This is corruption. What? This is gonna be a thumbnail. Why? It's gonna be a thumbnail. What? Ah, not again. Wake up! No. Here. Ah, too many corruptions, I say. Oh no, not again. Music! You have some time to slow down. What, Macy? Why? Why? Ow. Ah! Wake up. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. 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 No, no, no. No. Why is it spelled woo? Why? Why'd you do this? Oh no, oh no. Why, Luna? Why? Oh no. Ah, wake! Ah! Why is it 2-year games? Now it has to be over there. Alright. What? I knew it. Every time it's on pause, it goes like this. Now it's back to normal. The bonus stage button. Or whatever I say, it's just alright. Ah! Wake up, Luna. Yes. What? Again with the two over there? Oh, no. Thank you. I'm not going there. 250. Oh man, can't it be Oscar at the start? Then we'll just play this next. Look for Oscar. What do you mean? Yes, they do. There's... What? Oh man. I can't believe he gave me this before proceeding to the stage. Yes? Look, I'm here now. There you are. You little mice. Not even a single parrot and Oscar yet. Oh man. Oh my goodness. What is this? Another one? What? Oh man. Not even Oscar next. But it's just mice again. I just wanted them at first. Oh. What? Oh, okay, that's enough. Sorry, didn't even get Oscar yet. I'm just starting over in case it's him. Okay. Oh, finally, you're absolutely nuts. Oh man, there you are. What? Oh, I want Missing No. Sure, we can catch that Pokemon. Super rare. Oh man. He finally got you, Oscar. Oh yes. He already did. Why? Oh no. Oh dear, Macy. Oh, quit getting mad at me for no reason. Stay over there. Stay over there. Stay over there too. Then stay at the left. Oh man. This keeps happening. What? Why is it? Oh. He has both Pidgey now. Really? It's two Pokemon. It's just Pidgey and Pidgey. Because Squirtle fled from the battle. Doesn't want to battle but run away. Oh man. I knew it's that. Oh, cute Luna. Oh, wake up! Oh man. Why? What? That's probably not Ash from Pokemon Fire Red. That's Red. The trainer's named Red. I know about Pokemon. Oh, Luna. Not my buttons, please. Oh man. What happened now? That's Pokemon. Hey! Me! I'm sorry. Wow, okay. Not again. Oh, I'm going to catch you! Haha. Alright, instead, he just sent out Pidgey. Really, another Pidgey. That is just level 2. Really, come on, tap to start, please. What the? Now the text has changed. Okay, good. At least it didn't load too long. It just goes to 100 and that's it. What? Why is it 2 Pidgeys? Yeah, both Pokemon. And his name is just that. What happened? Oh, great. Alright, Wild Pidgey appeared. Go! What? Squirtle? Squirtle ran away. Then Trainer instead just sent out another Pidgey. Why? Why? Why would it do that? Oh my goodness. Again? Is she doing this? Of course she is. I saw you doing that. Pidgey? You have 2 Pidgey. Why? Well, you won. Oh my goodness. What is this? It's not Ash, that's Trainer Red. Oh my goodness. Oh man. What? That's probably not Ash. What? Yes, they do see the Pokemon Professor. Yes, they do. They always see them. Not now. Really? Alright. There's... What? What is that? What is that? What do you mean? What are you doing, Luna? What are you doing on top of Molly? Oh dear. Why? What? Okay. Oh, Luna, you are too cute and special. Oh man, he's like, oh, I better do a ballerina since. Oh my goodness. What? Alright, let him say something. Never mind. You're just gonna do a ballerina instead. So the Pokemon's professor's gonna do a ballerina? Okay. You continue doing that. I'll just continue. He's doing a ballerina since. Oh, what? 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 Are you doing ballerina? Why? Ballerina is just a nice one. I get it. I get it. It sounds fun. Luna's like this. I mean, what? Get up. Oh, gosh. Oh, my goodness. It's been too long since we keep on falling asleep. Damn, later crash. What? I'd stay up on the top if you don't want me to stare at you. Man. Why are you too mean, Luna? First, you were nice to me, and then... Now what? Arr! And now you're going rude. Man. What's your attitude these days, Luna? Cut that attitude now. Here we go. This must be another star for you. Oh. He's doing this again. Oh. He's still asleep while he's using this. I realize that for sure. Okay, okay, Luna, okay. That's a lot nicer when you do that. Oh, get up! Wake up! Oh, not now. Not now. Oh, man, if I let go of that, that will drop the candy eventually. Oh, man. Oh! I'll stop doing that, okay. But I can easily catch it again. Here you go now. Here. Here you go. You got it. Haha. Really?